So we're gonna try one of the Filipino snacks.
What do you have there?
It's a prawn crackers, spicy flavor. Oishi.
Vichy.
It's from province of Cavite.
Okay.
Sprinkle
No,
it.
all of you.
Why do we start with the worst?
How did you know it's worse?
I think green peas is the worst.
Let's do some ASMR, right?
I like it. It's not that spicy. For me.
I tried it before. So.
It's good? How is it?
It's good.
Do you like it?
It's okay.
You don't like it?
Why?
It's prawn.
I don't know.
Oh, okay.
Next is muncher green peas.
Muncher.
Beans of all tastes.
Okay.
Okay, this got spicy
Boy.
enough.
Was
it
that
looks like
green
wasabi.
beans?
Yeah, green peas.
That's it, that's it.
Showing a delayed reaction from these prawns. It's getting spicy.
I don't feel the taste, but maybe because of the spicy that I got from
It's
Oishi.
salty.
Tastes like noodles.
What?
Noodles.
Noodles?
They're like oxen noodles, you know, the spice you put on them.
It's like peanuts.
It's from noodles to peanuts, okay? You're literally just putting it in your...
I like it.
It does taste a bit like peanuts.
Is it?
Mm.
Oh wow. I forgot the taste of this.
Okay.
I like it.
You guys forgot how peanuts taste. You
Is
guys
it
forgot how
yay
peanuts
or is
taste.
it nay?
Maybe.
It's from Venezuela City
Ooh.
in Philippines.
Nothing disgusting so far. It's good.
Mm-hmm.
Because there's nothing
Should have
in
had
it.
the balot.
There's no balot.
So next is corn bits.
It's a corn snack.
Okay.
Put your hand here.
So much.
We get different
That's
shapes.
it, that's it.
Yeah, it's the
What's
best.
that?
Yeah.
What's this?
What's it
Also
that?
corn?
I have no idea. I think it's like mixed with
It's
everything.
like fusion.
Wait, what was this one?
It's
Corn
corn bits. Can you read what's inside?
Um,
Because it's like a mixed, right?
Oh,
With this, I feel like I'm eating bugs.
I don't like it.
I mean,
it's peanuts,
Is that good?
No.
starch.
It's like somebody has already chewed.
I like it, but it's okay.
I like it, but it's okay.
I like the green beans more.
Oh my god. That's bad.
It tastes bad. Which one was it again? It's the
corn.
You better just go for popcorn, to be honest.
Yeah.
like unexploded popcorn.
Bawang.
Oh, bawang is garlic. It means
What?
garlic.
Barbecue flavor.
But
Uh,
it's like boy garlic.
bigger, tastier, crunchier.
What is this? Yellow peas.
This is a favorite of Carol's.
Wait,
It's
where are
yellow-
all these from?
Yellow
From
peas.
Philippines, yeah?
Yeah.
No. I never tried
You
like
really
none
like
of them
peas?
in Philippines.
Really?
Oh, that much?
You like them?
Okay.
Just give you.
Yeah, just a tiny bit. Just a tiny bit.
Yeah.
Wait.
What?
We'll
Yeah,
share.
we'll share.
What?
Oh.
Dropping shit that's for Flucky.
And what was this?
Or me.
This is barbecue flavor. But the name of this is boy bawang.
But I still can't swallow the previous ones, the corns.
This one is nice.
It's barbecue.
It's good snack.
It's okay,
With
right?
beer.
Let's hope that.
Floki? Yes.
Okay.
Floki? What's that?
That's better.
Is it good? More snacks.
Next is ham and cheese corn snacks.
Again corn.
You like corn a lot?
Corn and peas.
But it's ham and cheese. Maybe it's like a big one.
Little too small.
You don't like corn?
No.
Even if it's with butter? Mmm.
Maybe take it yourself.
Yeah.
I got tired.
One.
The shape is promising.
The shape is promised.
I love it.
Are you sure?
It's okay.
It's so soft.
I like it too.
Do you like it?
It's okay.
It means no.
So many chemicals, how can you not like it?
It's not salty enough.
And then this is the last one. This is your favorite, right?
Yellow peas.
You always eat that one in Philippines.
So cheap, it's like 10 ora.
Well,
Or maybe 5 ora.
It's also peas?
A cherry on the top.
So small.
It's good with red horse.
There's no red horse.
beautiful soup.
What? Like raw horse?
Raw horse?
Eat the raw horse?
No, it's a red horse. It's a
Filipino
beer. Yeah. It's so strong. They've tried it. No, the beer.
After all this, I also don't feel so much.
There's no taste. but it's his favorite.
I'm tasteless.
Okay, guys, so it's done. So what do you think about there's actually we have
Which is your
yeah,
favorite?
which is your favorite?
Mine is the green peas.
Yeah?
Give it to her back.
That's yours?
That's
And
mine.
let's have a. And what about
10
you,
pesos.
Nikki?
The
Or 10
prawn
kronas.
crackers.
The spicy one.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Nice.
What about you?
I'm gonna agree on that.
I thought you don't like spicy one.
Yeah, I'm surprised myself.
Excited to show it.
And what about you?
The tasteless.
Tasteless.
Really?
Normally I can taste it.
No. Okay,
That's yours.
let's try now the Lithuanian snacks.
I'll film.